section. And then maybe half of this I'm gonna do on the nails. This is really fun, simple to do. I'm gonna trim it all the way, like half of the nails. Maybe I'll do it this one. Really, really thin line. Right there. Okay. So I will using my really cool sharp dual end tweezers. This is freaking cool tools. Is one end is really sharp tweezers that help me pick any of the sticker off from there. Something must stick on mine. Really thin line. So I did 2 coats of half in blue, half in red, and I know I might do. And I did finish with the top coat. So then that way it doesn't have any tacky layer. This is the strips you can use for any different designs. It's just happened that we're gonna do some holidays, which is July 4th. It's only today and tomorrow, and then we're gonna go into the summer nails. Don't really worry about that. We're gonna trim all of them off just in a little bit. I usually doing it like this, so it have you divide the section is much better. Or you can also paint it. However, I just show you how you can using it with the strips. Now just use my scissors. If you are not sure and you don't want to deal with like painting a straight line, and then this one have a different thickness of the strips, you can do a thinner, thicker, however you would like. I'm gonna trim this one, and I'm using this part for my end of nails. Really simple. And just use my tweezer, rub it. Very good. Trim them off. This is just simple, and if you are feeling that you want to paint it, you can't go right for it, because I think it's going to be so much fun. It is here for all of you who don't want to deal with painting. This one had a little bit, but you can fix it. It's not a big deal. So I am going to using on the other side. I have the alphabets right here, and I'm going to using letter. So go up like this, or go like that. Either way you want to go, I think. And I'm going to pick that one. And let's see what we're gonna do. It's really fun, and with this design you can have so many ways to do. Either you can do some with stars, you know, get the stars line up, or you can do with red and white and blue crystals. So however you prefer, just you can dress it up. And now I am, if you want to do crystal placements, we are going to using condensed glue gels. I'm going to close this tweezers, and or else it's going to be so sharp it's going to poke me, and I got it poked a few times. Twin tip brush. Hello, Keijo Lily. It's really thick density. So this is, if you don't want any crystal placement, you can using condensed glue gels and encapsulating your stickers. But if you are using crystal placements, you can encapsulate, and instead of clear, you're doing a condensed glue gels top coat. Instead of clear right away, you can place the crystal first, then you clear. So first time using condensed glue gel, you might notice that the condensed glue gel really thick density, which is great because it's supposed to be the formula like that. It will help hold the base of crystals, charm chain stickers, and it's just like really anchor it down. So I am using a second step, which is no wipe top coat on the top of unclear condensed glue gel. So then if you don't want any crystals, then now you're gonna clear it. But if you want crystals, I might do the star, or earlier you can encapsulating with star. We have a white star right there. You can't, or you have a sticker of the white stars as well, but I am going to using crystal star right there. You can do like line them up. You can do it right here, but I don't want to take away from ours letter. And on the top of this, we can do line up with red, white, and blue. So that way it won't take away from our letters. Great. So if you're happy with this, we are going to clear this one and under the LED light for 60 seconds. Just make sure your adjuster star stays nice and straight.